Can anybody tell me from the audience, what is the biggest threat to our Mother Earth, today's world? Any guesses? Rightly brought up by Sanjay, global warming. Anybody know how this global warming take place? Any idea?
Yeah.
What is the reason for global warming? All of you have studied that something called greenhouse effect. That is the main reason for this global warming. And the very surprising thing is that a lot of policies has been implemented by government, but you will not find anything which is fruitful toward this side. Friend will be surprised to know the figures. Arctic Sea from 1979 till date, it has shrunk by 9%. Out of 442 glaciers, 90% of them have started melting. And 2100, the sea level will go high by 10 to 23 inches. Can you tell me what is the effect of this global warming on our environment? Floods, drought, hurricanes, all these things. These are the consequences of global warming. And can you tell me how this is going to affect our health? Friends will not get fresh air to breathe. You see the changes in weather. Our country, in summers it is too hot, you can't even go out. Whenever we go, you use gloves, you do everything in your makeup, setup and all. Why? Because of this depletion of ozone layer, which is mainly caused by global warming. No other reason. Heat strokes. Every time during summers, you come to know so many people died in Odisha, so many people died in UP. How? It is because of this heat strokes. Same thing happens in winters. People died because it's so chilly. Me, you, we can have everything. We have ACs in summers, we have proper clothing in winters. But what about those who are staying outside? There are a lot of people who don't have money to eat. How will they get all these luxuries? Think of it. It is one of the biggest dangers to our Mother Earth. And this will not stop until unless these vehicles which you are using that are for our luxury, it is harming someone sitting somewhere who is not even directly associated to you, associated to me. That poor chap is sitting somewhere in remote areas, he is affected by the pollution caused by your vehicles, the pollution caused by the industries. Deforestation. Do you know which thing is getting more polluted because of this global warming? I'll give you three options. I request you to rate 1, 2, 3. First one is water, second one is atmosphere, and third one is normal soil. Which one is the most affected thing?
Water. Water, air, bladder.
Any idea how much percentage of pollution is taking place in water because of global warming? 93%. Tomorrow, don't get surprised when you don't find water to drink. Today, at least that water is available for your bathing and everything. Tomorrow, you may be paying a huge money from your pocket for this water. Because, friends, there will be long queue for this, which already you can see in cities like Delhi and all. From where you will get this water? Friends, time has come to do something for this country, for this earth. And each one of us can contribute to it. You have to just plant a tree and you see the difference. Stop using a vehicle for one day. You just imagine if one of you start using a vehicle for one day and you compare the total population of India, how much petrol you will be saving? Friends, it's time to wake up. There is a very famous saying in English, my home is my best place and earth is my home. Keep this as a motto and secure something for your children, for your grandchildren, so that what you are enjoying today, the same thing they can also enjoy. Thank you.